For agencies managing multiple clients, clear project tracking and collaboration are everything. Two of the most popular platforms built for that are Asana and Monday.com. Asana is built around clarity and coordination. It gives agencies a structured way to track tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities across multiple projects. Each project can be broken into sections, tasks, and subtasks, making it easy to assign work, set due dates, and monitor progress. The interface feels clean, minimal, and intuitive, which helps teams focus on getting things done instead of managing tools. Asana's biggest advantage is structure. It is ideal for teams that value organized planning, predictable workflows, and clear accountability. But for teams that want heavy customization or visual dashboards, Monday.com offers a different kind of experience. Where Asana really shines is workflow control. You can visualize work as lists, boards, calendars, or timelines, depending on how your team likes to plan. Automations help reduce repetitive steps, like moving tasks when they are marked complete, or reminding team members about upcoming deadlines. Agencies that handle multiple client accounts can duplicate templates for repeatable processes, like onboarding or campaign launches, saving tons of setup time. Communication also stays connected. Comments, attachments, and updates live directly within tasks, so there is no confusion about where feedback belongs. Asana integrates seamlessly with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Adobe Creative Cloud, keeping creative work and communication tightly linked. Reporting dashboards give managers quick insight into workload and performance without needing a separate analytics tool. Monday.com takes project management and turns it into a vibrant, customizable workspace. Each project is built on boards, where you can track tasks, client deliverables, and progress in a highly visual way. The color-coded interface, customizable columns, and drag-and-drop system make it feel more dynamic and adaptable. For agencies, Monday.com is especially strong in managing client pipelines, campaign schedules, and content calendars. You can track each client as a separate board or view all projects at once in a portfolio dashboard. Automations handle updates, notifications, and status changes, freeing up project managers from manual check-ins. Monday.com's integrations extend deeply into CRM, time tracking, and creative tools, which means agencies can handle everything from client requests to billing in one connected platform. Another standout feature is customization. You can design workflows that mirror exactly how your agency operates, whether that means managing ad campaigns, creative production, or account retainers. The platform adapts to your process rather than forcing you to fit into a fixed structure. If you value structure, efficiency, and minimal setup, Asana will fit perfectly. But if you thrive on flexibility, data visualization, and tailored client reporting, Monday.com delivers the creative control agencies love. Both tools handle agency work beautifully. The difference lies in whether your team prefers precision or personalization.